Now today we're going to get the Malibu out, pull her up in front of the shop, give her a bath, just like the other videos I did on the other Malibus. My barn find Malibus, or my grain bin find Malibus. There's the other one we did earlier. I'll set this up and I'll back her out and we'll drive up in front of the shop. Alright, here we go. I'll back her out. Alright, got her backed out. We'll pull her up in front of the shed. A nice dirty windshield and dirty windows, can't see out. Shop. I let her run here a little bit. Mine's gonna roll away. E-brake don't work. Manual training, so roll away. Yeah, well, I'll probably wash it off tomorrow. It's getting late, running out of sunlight. She should be safe here. Pretty dirty too. Really dirty up front. Kind of a look at it before it gets washed off.